Hello and welcome to Stairlift Guru. Today we will be looking at types of stairlift rails that you can buy in the UK. But before we start, do not forget to head over to stairliftguru.co.uk to get your free stairlift quote. We are your one-stop shop for all things when it comes to stairlifts. Let us now get into it and start. Consider if the stairlift will function on your steps. Is the rail securely fastened? How high up the rail does the runway stretch over the stairwell? What is the length of the track? Will it ever turn? What would you do if you discovered a hidden door at the bottom? Here are some types of stairlift rails. Deciding where to begin is challenging since you must consider many variables, and it can be overwhelming. We are grateful that we were able to save you time. Now consider how their different characteristics and tastes will help to protect your house. Rails for curved stairlifts available. One types of stairlift rails are if your stairs switch, take an intermediate landing, or have several steps, you're likely to need a curved stairlift. Curved rails must be custom designed to follow the curves of your stairs while ensuring a level and easy climb. Unlike conventional stairs, which are all the same length, the steps on the platform differ in duration. There are several softly slanted stairs to be careful about. Stairs and their different measurements need extra consideration. Curved stairlifts may be connected to the inside or outside of the stairwell. This results in a switch on the inside or outside stair, depending on the configuration. Measurements are used to build curved stairlifts that are both safe and reliable. Fortunately, there are a plethora of natural and appropriate responses. Except for the lift start and end, you will have complete leverage. Wouldn't it be essential to dig at this further? Curved rails choices available on the market. Curved stairlift rails are available in modular and custom configurations. One piece is intended for usage on the stairs, whilst the rest are packaged into the stairlift rail. Though concept rails nearly often move more quickly and smoothly, the twin approach is usually used, but the rail's features can differ. The one-tube method, on the other side, has shorter shipping times. While modular curve rails work well in specific environments, the trip is not as reliable as custom rail. Even if your staircase has a few tight curves, you'll need a specialized rail system to go with it. Standard curved rail dimensions for stairlifts in the UK. The depth of the gradient of stair rails is calculated differently. Since and phase curve is unique, it isn't easy to have an estimated angle. Typically, 6 inches protruding risers are used on broad or straight stairs, but since the rails on this staircase are wider than usual, it's difficult to tell where the steps end. A bespoke rail, on the other hand, allows for more near turns than a modular stairlift. Charging and power for curved stairlifts in the UK. Types of stairlift rails. There is no continuous, uniform loading on curved rails. When the batteries are entirely powered, the stairlift can work typically. If you park your stairlift far enough away from the charging station, you can hear a beeping warning. Your stairlift must be operational so that you can quickly reach your home in the case of an emergency. You'd have to replace them if it wasn't like that. Curved stairlift rail landings for the home. In some instances, it's challenging to find a spot to park the stairlift that is safe and easy to get to use for different kinds of the stairlift. Instead of completing the landing bar, you might do one of two things: have it finish at the top curve or bend farther away from the stairs. These are only a handful of the numerous applications for the technology. Other rail devices can be attached if your home design and personal needs allow. If there is a door at the bottom of the stairs, it is just a little distance down. Curved stairlift, but searching for the base rails to start and finish your tour in the same place? To descend the stairs, use a stairlift or a lift launch. Dimensions of straight rails. As previously said, any straight lift must have a total ascending angle of at least 28 degrees. Contrary to common opinion, the steps of the staircase are not connected to the rail. This does far more minor damage to your property and is much more convenient. This could be attached to virtually every stairway with a few screws, so it has a landing spot. If your doorway or walkway is at the bottom, you'll need to consider your options. Stairlift rails break down in detail. There are 3 main stage stairlift designs: smooth, corrugated, and railed. You may see any of these railings on some kinds of stairs. Choose where you want your stairlift to be installed and the type of railing you want. Examine the framework more closely so that you can decide which system better meets your needs. Rails for straight stairlifts. The most basic kind of stairlift is a direct stairlift. Straight rails are only cut when a particular staircase has been installed. They are often, but not usually, silver or bronze in color and made of aluminium. Rails that have been anodized and are scratch-resistant are more durable. Since the stairs go up in a straight line, a flat rail is necessary to ascend them. The only considerations in determining how big the stairs should be are height and head clearance. Stairlift construction should be straightforward as long as the consumer has adequate headroom and the stairs are at least 28 inches high. Powered folding or retractable rail choice, frequently referred to as the hinged platform. Turning the landing at the bottom of a stairway upside down and using it as a starting ramp is the easiest way to repair it. At the click of a button, the stairlift rail folds up, sets itself down, freeing up precious floor space, and locates the fence at the bottom of the stairs. After exiting the stairwell, you will return the elevator to the top by yourself. You will deploy the rail whenever you like before using it again. Rails for outdoor stairlifts. Finally, let's talk about the outdoor lift rails. Although some companies run curved outdoor stairlifts, outdoor rails usually are straight. Like indoor straight stairlifts, they are cut to length and relatively straightforward in form. They are designed to be more resilient for indoor usage, but they are still susceptible to weather changes. A slew of influences, including fog, snow, salty air, and beasts, would not deter you from completing this mission. This is an actual 4-season frame that can withstand extreme weather. They are just some types of stairlift rails. If you are interested in buying a stairlift, get a free stairlift quote. Thank you for listening to our video on types of stairlift rails that you can buy in the UK. We hope this has helped you understand more. If you want to buy a stairlift, then please go to our website and get a free quote at stairliftguru.co.uk. Or if you just want to learn more, then go to our website to learn more. Thank you.